Alright, this here is a John Mayer Fender Signature Model Strat from 2006. It's in today because it's having some switch problems or something. We'll look through it, we'll plug it in. It is, like I said, it's a 2006 John Mayer. And this is the Strat, which all Strats are kind of measured by in our little group. It's, I don't know if it's smaller than a regular Strat or what is different about this one, but everybody who plays this says, oh, I want a Strat now. And then they get a Strat and they're like, this isn't a Strat, this doesn't feel like this Strat. So, anyway, I repainted this a couple years ago. I'll show you a couple pictures. 2015 to be exact, I repainted it. We did a lacquer finish. It's probably due for a new one, although it is aging nicely. It's got nice scratches right where they kind of should be. I'll show you the original one here. It had an extreme temperature change. It went from very hot, moist conditions to very, very cold conditions. I believe from a hot barn to a cold airplane, belly of a plane. And you can see it chipped right off there. And I tried my best here to paint it back in the day. But we'll go through it. We'll check. I'm pretty sure it's the switch that's having problems. I think I've even changed that out once before. We'll go through the fretboard and some new strings, check the intonation and all that stuff. So stick around and see me tear into this 2006 John Mayer Fender Strat. Got it plugged in and there was a little scratchiness on the volume. A little fuzziness on the switch. I think they just need to be cleaned out. Maybe some deoxit. And the input itself is rather loose. That's kind of jiggling around in there. So, another thing, I think the pickups are kind of low. I think they can come up. This bridge one can probably come up about an 1/8 inch. This one maybe, you know, couple mil. That one couple mil. And yeah, the whole fretboard's kind of a little dirty. Could use a cleanup. Oiling, all that good noise. So let's start by taking the strings off and we'll see how this goes. Kind of neat. You can see JM, NK. I don't know what the NK is. I'm assuming the JM is for, oh, neck. So stupid. And that says BR Bridge, John Mayer Bridge, John Mayer neck. Very cool. Yeah, I don't know what makes this different. This is a newer switch, I think. Or did we clean it last time? I can't recall. Could probably use a good cleaning. off of there now. Maybe you want to see what's in here. That one says LAU. Some factory numbers here. This tag down here says 791. So yeah. There it goes. Not too bad. We'll do some cleanup, then we'll go through the fretboard. Nothing left of that spring. I'm gonna go with one that's a little bit longer. That other one looked like it was broken or shortened. Yeah, some more spring in my step. Spots. Not enough to get the tape out. Alright, I do believe we are ready for strings. Looking up some specs on this. It's a 25.5-inch scale neck, alder body, some special pickups in there, and it's got great tone too through the right amp. Also, I'll show you here in a sec. Oiled up fretboard, so it's good. They also had 5 springs from the factory, and John Mayer requested no plate on the back, so that's kind of cool. Don't need a plate, right? Stay shirtless, you get your belly hair caught in there. That's fun. So no more clipping on the volume, on the switch. No more clipping on the input. It is solid. And so comfortable too. Did I mention that this guitar was run over by a car twice? Yep. And it goes in a gig bag, like it's a Fender gig bag, and couldn't save it from the temperature change, but actually saved it from the car. So it's in still in playable condition. So if you're in the market for a Strat, I would highly recommend going and looking at a John Mayer signature model. They just feel different to me than any other Strat that I've ever played. And if I was to have a Strat, this is the model Strat I would want, just for the feel and the tone, everything overall. So get out there, fix something, clean something up, make it happen, and have a great weekend, and we'll talk again soon.